Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, please kindly click on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. Please don't forget to like this video. It will help the YouTube algorithm to notice this video to people who are actually interested in watching this kind of videos. So here in this video, we're discussing about how to skip Fiverr test. And then I recently see some posts on Facebook whereby people are having issue about this Fiverr test because they fail the test, and once you fail Fiverr test you won't be able to publish that particular gig. And this happen in categories like writing, business, and some website design category on Fiverr. So, and let's see what happen if you fail to pass the Fiverr test. And I think you will have to wait for 91 days before you can take another Fiverr test again. So here is how Fiverr test works. So so you can see here, some gigs cannot go active until you have passed a skill test. So if you fail a test, Fiverr give you an opportunity to retake it, but only once, or twice, or thrice. So I don't know. But basically, what used to happen is maybe when you are trying to use a network that is not actually strong enough. So, and this Fiverr test used to roll, and once the network cannot pass through the server on Fiverr, so the test will definitely say that you failed. And once you fail the test, you won't be able to take another test again. And I think they only give three chance. If you fail the first test, maybe you not meet up with the requirement or some certain point, which I think it's 7.5 or 8.0. I actually don't know, but I used to score like 8, 9, then 9.5. So, but what you're gonna do if you fall into this victim and you are unable to publish that particular gig? And if you are into writing, this happen to people who are into writing most times. So if you are into writing, and sometimes maybe virtual assistant, so, and if this kind of things happen to your gig and you are unable to publish your gig on Fiverr, so what you're gonna do is just go to your gig. So I'm gonna do an example for you so you see how to fix it up anytime you are facing that kind of issue. So let's say, for instance, this is the gig I was unable to publish, or this is the gig that I want to do the test on. And once you notice that you already failed the test, so what you're gonna do is come back to this overview here. So once you come to this overview here, then uh it's because this particular gig is live already, so that is the reason why I cannot click on this. But if you have yet to publish your own gig, so what you're gonna do is click on here, then choose video and animation. Once you choose video and animation, you'll be able to choose video editing. Video editing doesn't require you doing any test. This category doesn't require you doing any test. So, and you'll be able to publish your gig successfully without you requesting for any test or whatsoever. So, and once you publish the gig, you know that is not the right category for that particular gig that you publish. So this will now come back here to your gig. So I think this is the gig. So create and manage your YouTube. Okay, so this is the gig. What you're gonna do then is click on here, then pause the gig. Once you pause the gig, then you can come back. So let me pause this gig, and you see what I'm actually talking about. So you can see I've published, and you can see here I cannot click on this category again because I've already published the gig. So, and you remember I just paused the gig, so you come back to paused gig, then you click on here, then click on edit, So you can see now that I can choose another category for that particular gig. You can see right here. So then you can choose the right category which they did not allow you to publish the gig in the first place. Then once you choose the right category, then you click on save. When you click on save, then your gig will go live in the right category. So it's very simple as that. It's very simple as that. So then you activate your gig back just the way I just did right now. Then you'll be able to find your gig back on the right page. So then you can search through any keywords to see if your gig is actually active on Fiverr search or not. So this is what I have for you in this video, and you can watch some of my other video as well which might interest in you. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.